What's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we're gonna unbox the gaming headset. Actually, this is the CM7000. So the brand is right here. So yeah, now let's see what's in the box, and let's see what's written, like the information out of the box. So first let's go through that. It is compatible with PC, phone, tablet, PlayStation, Switch, and Xbox. What's included in the box, we'll go through that in the video, but you have the audio mic splitter adapter, you have the 7.1 surround sound system, a USB adapter, and the Commander CM7000 itself. So it's a gaming headset. So multi-platform compatibility, okay, all that is good. Let's go through the unboxing. So yeah, let's open that. I'll just be there. Let's as you can see, we have the headset itself. Let's pull it out. Okay, we have the adapter which is coming out right now. Okay, so this is the USB for the headset. So it's braided and thick and nice. So we have a fresh piece of this. I already have another adapter of this kind for my old gaming headset. So now let's pull the main thing out. Okay, everything feels premium. Let's just I'll be back in a moment. Let's go. So this is the box. I just got it out. Let's see if we have anything inside. Nothing else. Let's put that aside. So this is the headset itself. Looks pretty good and nice. Feels comfy. I guess it should be nice. We have the volume control behind here. We can turn off the volume here. We have the mic. The mic looks pretty good, neat. And yeah, so let's remove all the covers and stuff, and let's see what else is included in the box with it. So this is the main headset itself. Let's keep it aside. Before doing that, let's peel off all these. Okay, everything looking nice. Let's put this aside, and so these are the other stuff which are included with the headset. So this is like how to use the dongle itself. So I have to connect. Okay, wait, let me show you. So what should I do if my teammate can't hear me? So basically this is the dongle which you have the controls in it, and you connect that here, and yeah, you're ready to go pretty much. That's it. So yeah, let's continue. This is the dongle, and yeah, so that's it guys for this video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications on Instagram so that you'll see all my new updates. Thanks for watching. Guys, it's Laashak. So just before ending the video, I wanted to say like this video because it took a lot of editing work, and feel free to subscribe to get new content, and also comment on this video about the next like content recommendations. You can also say me things to review on my next video, and feel free to follow my Instagram to know about updates on my next video. I also update thumbnails on my